Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Studypool to earn money. So just an overview, Studypool is a website where you can sell a document or become a tutor. Okay, so first thing that you should do is you have to open any browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out Studypool or studypool.com. Okay, and then just have to click on enter, and then you'd be able to see this first website. So you just have to click on it, and then another tab will open and you'd be redirected to this page. Okay, so now second thing that you should do is you have to sign up or log in if you already have a Studypool account. So here when we scroll down, be able to see these details. So Studypool has a featured subjects. They have programming, rocket science, linear algebra, chemical engineering. They also have macroeconomics, international law, immunology, literature, JavaScript, music theory, Spanish, and communications. Okay, so now let's log in or sign up for an account on Studypool. So you just have to click on the sign up button. So this one at the top right hand corner of your screen. So when you click on it, you'll be able to see this page. So you just have to type out your email, username, and then your password, or you can sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook. So I'll be signing up with my Google account. And then when you do that, you'd be able to see this page over here. And for the information of everyone, Studypool has a lot of subjects. So if you know a lot of subjects, especially in business and then hospitality, then this website is for you if you want to earn money. So when you click on the all subjects option, you have here the business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing, health and medical, economics, engineering, computer science, law, and then foreign languages. So say for example, you are a master or you know a lot of business. So when you clicked on it, you have your accounting, advertising, and etc. So if you're someone who knows a lot of those things, then you can publish lots of documents. So you can sell it to the students who are looking for materials that they can use or they can buy online. Okay, so let's go back to the all subject section. Okay. And then next thing that we are going to discuss is how can we earn here on Studypool. So that was just a brief overview about this website. So the first method that we can do to earn money here is to sell our document, as I was saying. So you just have to click on this option, this one at the top of your screen. Okay, the sell document option. So when you clicked on it, you'd be redirected to this page. So you can earn money by selling study documents. So earn passive income up to 5,000 USD a month. So we share your documents with tens of millions of students. So you get up to $10 every time a student views one of your documents. So basically, the more documents that you are going to upload here, the more money that you can earn. And of course, you don't have to worry because you don't have to edit anything every month as long as you never take down those documents online. So you're the only one who has the authority to do so. So the more documents that you're going to upload, so the more money that you can earn here on Studypool. So here, what to upload. So you can upload quiz or exam preparation. For example, practice tasks, exam prep materials, and study guides can be a helpful resource for students. For example, old assignments as well, so past homeworks, project reports, presentations, papers, etc. that students can review as reference. You can also upload class notes and then multi-language content. So they accept content in all languages from all countries. So here in the upload your documents to earn up to $10 per doc viewed. So here in the Docs Approved section, you'll be able to see here all of the approved documents that you have uploaded. And then here for the Docs Decline, so all of the decline documents are here. And then, of course, for the pending documents. And then here's a pro tip. So help students find your documents by providing strong titles. So you have to take note about the strong titles. And then doing this is shown to increase sales by 480%. So you don't have the time to upload documents one at a time. So you just have to put all your documents on a zip file or folder, and they're going to review it and upload all of those documents for you. Then here you can drag and drop your files right here. So the maximum MB for every file or per upload is 200 MB. And then how it works: upload documents, files are approved, users view document, and then receive your payment. So how can we maximize our earnings? So the things that you should do is to, of course, upload high quality, add doc details, and then it should be meaningful. And then the things that you should not do: documents should not be low quality, no bad titles, or copyrighted or duplicate content. So here, good content examples. You have essay draft or math practice quiz. So let's go with the essay draft. So if you'd like to see good example, and if you think your documents is good as as the example, then you're good to go. So next thing is, the next method that we can do to earn is to become a tutor online or here on Studypool. So you just have to click on the become tutor option. Then here, how you can become a tutor. Okay, with a Studypool tutor account, you can freely switch between student and tutor mode. So here, low service fees, reliable income, and then full freedom and flexibility. So you just have to click on the apply now button after reading everything right here. And of course, important message that your documents or content should not be copyrighted or by ChatGPT. Okay, so now you just have to read this tutor application and then click on start application. So you're ready to get started. So you just have to click on the start application. Okay, and then once you've done that, here before you begin, you're applying to become a Q&A tutor at Studypool. So this is not a traditional form of tutoring. So this is what you should expect as a Studypool tutor. Okay, so you just have to read this important note and then click on acknowledge. So you just have to fill out this personal information form and then save and continue. So you just have to go ahead and finish filling out all of the important or required details from you. And then once you've done that, then you can now start earning here on Studypool. So those are the important things that you should know on how to earn money here on Studypool. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped to solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.